Hey guys, we're back with another Caudabe product here. So today we've got the Crystal Shield tempered glass screen protector. This is a high transparency crystal clarity screen protector. It's designed to look and feel invisible on your phone. Crystal Shield is a crystal clear tempered glass screen protector. It's got fortified glass, smooth rounded edges and a smudge resistant coating. And it says Crystal Shield is the perfect complement to our entire line of minimalist cases. So one thing I really liked when I opened the box to this is the Caudabe Crystal Shield doesn't have the notch cutout. If you can see the iPhone 12 Pro down here, this is a Belkin screen protector that was on here. I had to get this put on when I bought the phone, as I didn't have my Caudabe ones, hadn't arrived yet. So this is only a temporary solution. The Belkin, I really want to get this Caudabe one on just because of that whole cutout for the microphone and earphone piece there. It just will make it look like one sheet of glass. So the Caudabe Crystal Shield comes with installation info. So first, you want to find a environmentally clean area. So probably like a kitchen bench that's nice and clean, dust free, no other debris or anything on it. Use Caudabe, you've got a little thing here saying we don't recommend the beach. And you have to obviously remove any case you have on your phone. So 2, you want to use a provided alcohol wipe to clean the entire surface of the screen, including the rounded edges if you're using an iPhone 11 Pro, but this here is the 12 Pro, so it doesn't have rounded edges. To help with aligning your Crystal Shield, turn your phone on and go into Settings app, which will provide a nice white background to help you better see the outline of the screen. Make sure you don't have dark mode on, because obviously your background will be black. So just turn dark mode off for the installation of this if you've got that on. Then you want to center your Crystal Shield on the screen. If you've done the prep work, there should be no debris. If there is, lift only the area containing the debris and use the included dust removal sticker to remove the particles, and then reapply your Crystal Shield. Squeeze out any bubbles using a credit card or other hard edge. Now, Caudabe do have a little business card style thing here that comes in the box that says illustrated instructions available at caudabe.com/installation. For additional help, contact support@caudabe.com. So that's nice that they have that on their website. Now, one other good thing with the Crystal Shield when you purchase it is it actually comes with 2. So normally when you buy a screen protector, you'll only get the one in the box. And so for value for money, this is definitely the way to go. At least you can put it on, and if something happens, you drop it, you drop something on it, you've got a spare. So I'm going to test that out on there. We'll just sit that on there. You can actually see there that the Caudabe Crystal Shield is ever so slightly bigger in all dimensions than the Belkin screen protector that's on there. So that's going to give you that extra little bit of protection on the screen there, because the Belkin one here, it really does have quite a large gap between the display when it's on and the edge of the iPhone. So this is going to be very interesting. It should work with all cases as well, because it's obviously designed to work with all the Caudabe cases, but most of the cases for the 12 Pro only just go over that little lip. So yeah, hopefully that's going to be excellent on the phone. And it looks like, it feels like the glass on the iPhone originally feels before it's got a screen protector on it, so that's good. And it's got that coating on there to help protect against smudges as well. So yeah, that's the Caudabe Crystal Shield screen protector, guys. Definitely go out and get that. Value for money wise, you can't beat it. 2 for the price of basically 1 that you would get anywhere else. And it's that little bit bigger on the iPhone 12 Pro than the Belkin one that I've got on here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.